Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and delete an Etsy listing. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account if you have not already. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, now we can get started with accessing the shop manager. You can access the shop manager right here. That's going to enable you to set up your shop if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just go ahead and access all your shop settings by opening up the shop manager, and now we can get started following this article right here on the official Etsy Help Center on how to delete a listing. So basically guys, if you no longer want to sell an item, you can delete the listing from your shop. So what we want to do is open up the shop manager just like I explained to you by going into the upper right corner, opening up your shop manager, and from there click on listings. Once you open up the listings tab, you're going to see multiple options you can access, and what you want to do is check the listings that you want to delete. So check them in the checkbox next to every listing name that you want to delete, and once you've done that, you can click the delete button at the top of the page that's going to appear in your shop manager. Once you click delete, be sure you want to delete it, because once you click on that button, it's going to remove it from your store and you're not going to go ahead and be able to take it back. So if you really want to delete them, follow the steps right here and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.